If you're over 50 and battling diabetes, the fruits you choose can either spike your blood sugar or help bring it down fast. In this video, we're uncovering 7 powerful fruits that not only taste great, but also work to drop blood sugar quickly, protect your heart, and keep diabetes in check. Stay tuned, because these blood sugar-lowering fruits might surprise you. 1. Avocado. Avocado isn't just a trendy topping for toast, it's a hidden weapon for diabetics over 50. This creamy fruit is packed with oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat that improves insulin sensitivity and helps your blood sugar stay steady. With a glycemic index of only 15, avocado is one of the lowest carb fruits you can eat, making it perfect for avoiding those sudden blood sugar spikes. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocado is also loaded with fiber, 7 grams per serving, which slows digestion and prevents glucose from rushing into your bloodstream. That means your body has more time to process sugars and keep your levels in check. Plus, it's rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that work together to support heart health and regulate blood sugar. Want to make avocado part of your diabetes-friendly diet? Try mashing it on whole grain toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes for a spicy, blood sugar balancing breakfast. Or toss it into a salad with lemon juice and grilled chicken for a meal that's as filling as it is nutritious. For a quick snack, blend avocado with Greek yogurt and a pinch of cumin to create a creamy dip that pairs perfectly with raw veggies. Avocado isn't just delicious, it's a blood sugar stabilizer that can keep you feeling full, satisfied, and in control of your diabetes. 2. Guava. Guava is more than just a sweet tropical fruit. For people over 50 who are managing diabetes, guava can be a great choice to help control blood sugar naturally. One reason is that guava has a very low glycemic index of only 12. This means it will not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar like many other fruits can. This makes guava safe to enjoy without worrying about your glucose levels rising quickly. In addition to its low glycemic index, guava is packed with fiber. A single guava fruit contains about 9 grams of fiber, which is quite high for a fruit. Fiber plays a key role in slowing down how quickly your body digests food and absorbs sugar into the bloodstream. When digestion is slower, sugar enters your blood at a steady pace, instead of flooding it all at once. This helps prevent the highs and lows in blood sugar that can be dangerous for diabetics. But guava offers more than just fiber and low sugar impact. It is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is especially harmful to people with diabetes because it can damage nerves and blood vessels over time. By eating guava regularly, you give your body extra protection against these harmful effects. Guava is also an excellent source of vitamin C. It contains about 4 times more vitamin C than an orange, which is well known for its vitamin C content. Vitamin C is important for a strong immune system and good heart health, both of which are critical when managing diabetes. Even more importantly, vitamin C helps your body produce insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar levels. When your body can produce insulin more effectively, it can keep blood sugar more balanced. Adding guava to your daily meals is easy and tasty. You can slice fresh guava and add a squeeze of lime juice for a refreshing and tangy snack. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides extra vitamin C and antioxidants. Another way to enjoy guava's benefits is by making guava leaf tea. Brew the leaves with a pinch of cinnamon for a calming drink that studies show may help regulate blood sugar naturally. Guava is not just a delicious fruit. It is a natural protector of your nerves, heart, and metabolism. Including guava in your diet can make managing diabetes easier and help you maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Try adding guava to your snacks and meals regularly to enjoy its powerful health benefits. 3. Lemon. Lemon may be small and sour, but it is a powerful fruit when it comes to managing blood sugar, especially for people over 50 with diabetes. One important reason is the citric acid in lemon. This acid slows down how your body digests starches. When starch digestion slows, carbohydrates break down more slowly. This means sugar enters your bloodstream more gradually. This helps avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar that can make you feel tired or shaky after eating. Another important benefit of lemon is its vitamin C content. One lemon has between 30 and 50 milligrams of vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body use insulin better. Insulin is the hormone that controls blood sugar. Vitamin C also helps reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation can make diabetes worse. So, getting enough vitamin C is important for keeping diabetes under control. Lemon juice also helps your body absorb minerals, like iron and magnesium. These minerals support your energy levels and keep your nerves working well. Many people with diabetes do not get enough of these minerals. Using lemon juice can help fix this problem without adding any sugar or calories. Adding lemon to your daily routine is simple and refreshing. Try squeezing lemon juice into a glass of water before meals. This can help start your digestion and prepare your body to handle the food better. You can also drizzle lemon juice over steamed vegetables or grilled meats to add flavor without any added sugar. Another easy idea is to freeze lemon slices and add them to your water. This makes tasty, naturally flavored water that keeps you hydrated and can reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Lemon is not just a way to make your meals taste better, it works quietly behind the scenes to help your blood sugar stay steady. It also supports your body's strength and energy. Using lemon regularly is an easy, natural way to help manage diabetes and keep your health on track. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights. 4. Kiwi. Kiwi may be small, but it offers big benefits for people managing diabetes, especially those over 50. One of the special things about kiwi is an enzyme called actinidin. This enzyme helps break down proteins more easily. When your body digests proteins better, your pancreas does not have to work as hard. This is very important because a less stressed pancreas can keep your blood sugar levels more stable. Kiwi has a glycemic index of about 50. This means it causes a slower rise in blood sugar compared to many other fruits. Each kiwi also has about 2 grams of fiber. Fiber helps slow down how quickly sugar gets into your bloodstream. When glucose enters slowly, it helps avoid sudden spikes that can be harmful for people with diabetes. Another benefit of kiwi is that it helps control your hunger. When you feel full longer, you are less likely to eat extra snacks that may raise your blood sugar. Kiwi is also packed with vitamin C. In fact, it contains more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C is important for fighting inflammation in your body. Inflammation can make diabetes worse, so reducing it is a big help. Vitamin C also supports your immune system. A strong immune system helps you stay healthy and fight off infections, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Potassium is another important mineral found in kiwi. One kiwi provides about 215 milligrams of potassium. Potassium helps keep your blood pressure at a healthy level. This is very important because many people with diabetes also deal with high blood pressure. Managing both blood sugar and blood pressure is key to avoiding heart problems and other complications. There are many ways to enjoy kiwi. You can slice it up and add it to a salad with crunchy walnuts for a tasty and healthy meal. Adding kiwi to a smoothie with spinach is another great way to enjoy it. You can also eat the skin of the kiwi to get even more fiber, which supports healthy digestion. Including kiwi in your diet can help improve digestion, control blood sugar, and support your overall health. This little green fruit is a powerful ally for anyone over 50 working to manage diabetes. Try adding kiwi to your meals and snacks regularly to help keep your blood sugar steady and your body strong. 5. Apples. Apples are a superstar fruit for people over 50 who want to manage their diabetes better. What makes apples so helpful is the high amount of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin acts like a natural brake that slows down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. This helps stop sudden spikes in blood sugar that can cause damage over time. Besides fiber, apples are packed with antioxidants called polyphenols. One important polyphenol is quercetin. Research shows quercetin helps your body use insulin more effectively. It also protects the cells in your pancreas that make insulin. Keeping these cells healthy is very important for managing diabetes well. The glycemic index of apples is between 35 and 40. This means they raise blood sugar slowly and steadily without big jumps. Eating the apple skin is very important. The skin adds extra fiber and antioxidants. These help your body fight damage from diabetes and support healthy digestion. Apples also help your gut health. They feed the good bacteria living in your intestines. A healthy gut is linked to better metabolism and overall well-being. When eating apples, make sure to wash them well. A mix of water and baking soda works great to remove pesticides. Eating apples whole with the skin on is a tasty and crunchy way to enjoy their benefits. They make a perfect snack any time of day. Adding apples to your daily diet is a simple and natural way to support your metabolism and keep your blood sugar steady. By choosing apples regularly, you give your body the nutrients it needs to fight diabetes. You also help protect your heart and pancreas from damage. Make apples a part of your daily routine and feel stronger and healthier every day. This easy habit could make a big difference in managing your blood sugar long term. 6. Cantaloupe Melon. Cantaloupe melon is a refreshing and helpful fruit for people over 50 who need to manage their diabetes. It has a very low glycemic load between 4 and 5. This means it does not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar. Keeping blood sugar steady is very important for good health. 1 cup of cantaloupe gives you about 1 to 2 grams of fiber. Fiber helps slow down how sugar enters your bloodstream. This keeps your blood sugar levels smooth and steady throughout the day. Cantaloupe also contains beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a strong antioxidant that can improve how your body uses insulin. This helps regulate blood sugar naturally. This fruit also provides around 400 milligrams of potassium. Potassium helps keep your heart healthy. This is very important for people with diabetes since heart problems are common. Cantaloupe is made up of about 90% water. This helps you stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is a simple but key part of controlling blood sugar. There are many tasty ways to enjoy cantaloupe. You can toss it with chia seeds or nuts for a filling snack. This helps curb hunger for longer. You can also blend cantaloupe with leafy greens to make a healthy smoothie, or simply eat it fresh as a sweet and guilt-free dessert. Cantaloupe melon is a wonderful fruit. It satisfies your sweet tooth while supporting your metabolism and blood sugar control. Making cantaloupe a regular part of your diet can help keep your blood sugar stable over time. This makes it a smart and delicious choice for your daily routine. Try adding cantaloupe to your meals. Your body will thank you by staying stronger and healthier. Small choices like this can make a big difference in managing your diabetes and protecting your heart. 7. Green bananas. Green bananas may surprise you because they are not as sweet as the ripe yellow ones you usually see. But for people over 50 who have diabetes, green bananas are a powerful tool to help control blood sugar. The secret is their high amount of resistant starch. Resistant starch is a special kind of carbohydrate that acts like fiber. It slows down digestion. When digestion slows, sugar enters your bloodstream more slowly. This helps prevent sudden blood sugar spikes that can harm your health. Besides controlling blood sugar, green bananas are great for your gut health. Resistant starch ferments in your colon. This fermentation feeds good bacteria in your gut. Good gut bacteria keep your digestion smooth. They also help your immune system stay strong. A healthy gut is very important for managing diabetes and overall well-being. Research shows that eating green bananas regularly can lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 26%. This is a big help if you want to keep your diabetes under control. You do not have to eat green bananas raw. You can make air-fried or pan-fried green banana slices. These make a crunchy and tasty snack. They are much healthier than regular chips. You can also boil green bananas and add them to savory dishes. Another option is to use green banana flour. It works well as a nutritious substitute in pancakes or smoothies. This way, you get the benefits of green bananas in many tasty forms. Green bananas are a real metabolic powerhouse. They help keep your glucose levels steady. They also support your gut health. Adding green bananas to your daily diet is a smart and delicious choice. Try including them in your meals and snacks. Your body will thank you with better blood sugar control and stronger digestion. Here are the top 7 fruits that can help you manage diabetes, protect your health, and feel better every day. These fruits are more than just tasty snacks. They support steady blood sugar, a healthy heart, and strong digestion. From gut-friendly green bananas to heart-loving avocados, every bite brings you closer to better health. If you're ready for even more tips and recipes to help you take control of your health, check out my cooking channel. I've got delicious, diabetes-friendly recipes that are perfect for making healthy eating fun and easy. Tap the link now and start cooking with me. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tips to control diabetes. What's your favorite fruit from this list? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.